My name's Father Kevin Drew. This is St. Anne's Catholic Church in Excelsior Springs, Missouri. This church was built in 1975, and it had a very 1970s feel to it. We wanted natural light. Martin worked with me at my other parish in Trenton, and they had the same problem. Had just some horrible windows from the 60s, and so we have natural light coming in here now, and it's nice and airy and just more heavenly. Your company was a big part of that because the windows here were yellowish green, and so you had a yellowish green hue in here. So took a trip up to Colorado to see you all, and was very reassuring for me.
My name is Sarah Morai, and I was the designer that worked with Father Drew to renovate St. Anne. What stands out to me is how easy it was to work with everybody. Father and I had a very similar vision, so it was easy to make decisions. And the details that we were really interested in could manifest them beautifully in these gorgeous windows. So just the simplicity of the process and the quality of the design.
I'm Aaron Ellis, and I am the worship pastor here at Deer Creek Church. I had reached out to Martin, and he was looking at the scope of the project and how big the windows were, and really the challenges that we faced with the sun coming in, and just did a fantastic job listening very carefully and intently to what we wanted to accomplish. And the stained glass really brought that beauty for us. I would wholeheartedly recommend Scottish stained glass.
My name is Crystal Engel. I have the privilege of being the organist here at Market Street Baptist Church, and I'm also the lead on the fundraising team for the windows. God has been in charge of this project from the get-go, and He sent you to us, and we are so happy with that.
My name's Dave Hoke. My family's been here 4 generations. I'm in construction, built or remodeled approximately a third of the town, 450 properties. And I'm on the Property and Grounds Committee of the First Presbyterian Church of Yuma, and have worked with Martin and the Scottish Stained Glass several times in our church. I've worked with a lot of different companies on several projects. And the big thing for me is, can I trust the person I'm working with? And with Martin, there's a lot of trust there. I know it's going to be done right. I know it's going to fit. It's going to look good. And once they're done, it's going to be cleaned up.
My name is Gay Criswell. I am the church council secretary, and I help my husband with trustee projects. Couldn't have asked for a better group company to work with. My goodness, they sent a whole team out to take the windows out. 6 to 10 people, and they come in with all these ladders and all these scaffoldings. I come back at 5 o'clock when I get off work, and you can't tell they've been here. They have vacuumed, they've picked up all the glass, all the wood. They did a wonderful job. And then I think Scottish is the stained glass company of Yuma.